Nice jacket. What's the occasion?
Oh, I like to celebrate concluding my business in style. Usually with a glass of single malt and a fine Cuban.
Ooh, but I know a good cigar guy. I could put you in touch.
No thanks. Don't smoke.
Would you like a drink?
Mr. Vandall, I'm not usually one to skip the foreplay, but if you don't mind.
Of course. Mr. Ballard?
One military-grade gallium arsenide semiconductor. Laser-sealed bioglass, manufactured in Taiwan.
Does it do what it says on the tin?
These are the microprocessors they use when they want a ballistic missile to be a cake top at a Syrian wedding.
Nasty little fucker.
Indeed. Which is why we were wondering why the Australian Security Intelligence Organisation might want to procure one of these. Agent Mckinley Derwent.
Hello, Mother.
Hello there, 00 dickhead. Just so you're aware, your fucking cover's been blown.
Yes, thanks for that, Mother. I was just thinking that.
Well, were you thinking last night? Or has that cocktail of sexually transmitted diseases you've no doubt caught finally rotted your brain like some 14th century fucking monarch?
I know, it is unfortunate, isn't it? I rather liked it.
Of course you fucking did. You're denser than a fucking dying star. Now, since that little twiglet between your legs just about started World War III through fucking 9, grab that chip and get out of there.
So, is fish and chips for dinner then?
Swallow. Or fucking shelve it. Just get that chip back here now. And let me be clear. You balls this up. You and I will be very much like the Virgin Mary, utterly fucked.
I'll swallow it.
Jesus, man. What are you, a fucking child?
Shit. What if he has a gun?
He doesn't have a gun. Just do it.
He did have a gun.
You know, I didn't quite have cutting open a government agent on my schedule today, but I'll happily make time. Yeah? Yeah? Oh dear. It appears Mother Dearest is going to have dinner alone tonight.
Yeah! I hate when you don't answer your fucking phone.
Oh, apologies, Mother. Barely had time to breathe all day.